Hello, dear members of my group, expats, expat spouses, challenge international people. I would like to speak about ups and downs today, about fear, how to overcome fear and negative thoughts. Yes, I had mentioned already in my post 19th of September, polarization and depolarization, a powerful tool. A polarization means that when you have a fear, you are polarized, you are focused on that fear. And there are ways to overcome this, to transform it so that you have a thriving rest of move forward in life. And I wanted to mention as well, I mean, my ups and downs, we have them all, and I have them like you. And that's one reason why maybe I don't post as often as I would like to. I wanted to post at least once a week in this group with powerful tools. And I think my last one was 12 days ago. And it's really a question of learning how to deal with your ups and downs. And I wanted to repeat what I've said already on the 19th of September. We all have dark and bright side. We need to embrace them. We need to accept our mistakes. We need to focus on the process rather than on the end of where we want to go. And I would like to mention a sentence from Tony Robbins is trade expectations for appreciations. And that's it. Appreciate the present moment. Appreciate the gift of what's happening to you now, the opportunity coming your way. And that will help you not dwell on past problems or on future fears. Dwell in your present moment. Dwell in the opportunity, in the gift to really focus on what's happening now and what you can learn from it and how you can thrive with that. Now, I will detail again, as in the 19th of September, how you can deal with a fear, any negative thought. This works. This tool I'm going to repeat is working on any fear, any negative thought. It's so powerful and empowering, and that's quite simple. Maybe not that simple, but it's not impossible. It is feasible. When you have a fear, a negative thought, or a challenge in your life, list the advantages of having this fear, negative thought challenge. Yes, it's counterintuitive, but list the advantages. Look for them, search for them, write them down, and then identify the opposite of this fear or negative thought or challenge, and then list the disadvantages of having the opposite of this fear. Very simple example to help you. If your fear was being poor, the opposite of being poor is rich. So the exercise is about listing the advantages of your fear being poor. Yes, list the advantages of being poor, and you will find them. Look around you at poor people in poor situations. There are advantages to it. And then list the disadvantages of the opposite of being rich. Yes, list the disadvantages of being rich. And again, there are disadvantages. All is not bright. All is not positive. There is always both. Everything in life comes in a package. So that's the exercise. List the advantages of your fear, being poor in the example. List the disadvantages of the opposite of the fear, being rich in this example. And then it will rebalance, because the fear means that you are seeing more disadvantages than advantages. So it pulls you down. You see only disadvantages. So list advantages of the fear that will make it come back up in a